Your kidneys are absolutely critical to your health. These two bean-shaped organs work tirelessly, filtering out waste products, excess water, and toxins from your blood. They're like your body's personal filtration system. But it doesn't stop there. Your kidneys also help regulate your blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and even produce hormones. One of the best ways to support your kidney health is through your diet. Certain foods can actually help cleanse your kidneys naturally by preventing kidney stones, lowering inflammation, and protecting against oxidative stress that can lead to kidney disease. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 of these powerful foods that can help you detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. You'll be amazed at the difference these foods can make in your kidney health, so let's get right to it. We're kicking off our list with a fruit you might already know for its urinary tract benefits: cranberries. Cranberries contain a natural compound called quinine, which converts into hippuric acid in the body. Hippuric acid helps to flush out excess uric acid from the kidneys, preventing kidney stones. Cranberries are also loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. So how can you enjoy the kidney-boosting power of cranberries? You can find them in various forms, from fresh or frozen berries to dried cranberries and unsweetened cranberry juice. Just make sure to choose options without added sugar, as too much sugar can actually be detrimental to your kidneys. Adding a handful of cranberries to your yogurt or oatmeal, sipping on unsweetened cranberry juice, or even incorporating them into baked goods are all great ways to enjoy the benefits of this kidney-friendly fruit. Remember, a healthy diet that includes kidney-supporting foods like cranberries is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. So go ahead, indulge in some cranberries, and give your kidneys a boost. Our next kidney-cleansing superstar is a fruit you probably have in your kitchen right now: the humble lemon. This citrus fruit is packed with citric acid, which is not only responsible for its tangy taste but also holds incredible benefits for your kidneys. Citric acid acts like a natural deterrent to kidney stones by binding with calcium in the urine, preventing it from forming into crystals. By keeping calcium levels in check, lemon juice helps to maintain a healthy urinary tract and reduces the risk of kidney stone formation. Lemon also acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to flush out toxins, waste products, and excess fluids from your body. Incorporating lemon into your diet is incredibly easy. You can start your day with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water, squeeze some lemon juice over your salads or grilled fish, or even add a slice of lemon to your water bottle for a flavorful and healthy boost throughout the day. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for overall health, and adding lemon to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support these vital organs. So go ahead, embrace the zesty power of lemon and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Now, let's dive into the ocean for our next kidney-boosting food: seaweed. This underwater superfood is packed with nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. One of the key nutrients found in seaweed is iodine, which is essential for thyroid hormone production. Thyroid hormones play a crucial role in regulating metabolism and blood pressure, both of which directly impact kidney health. Seaweed is also a rich source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help to shield your kidneys from oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and damage over time. Seaweed also contains anti-inflammatory agents and polysaccharides, which have been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes. Adding seaweed to your diet is easier than you might think. You can find it in various forms, including nori sheets, wakame, and dulce flakes. Experiment with different types of seaweed to find what you enjoy most and reap the benefits for your kidneys. Chapter 4: Garlic, the Pungent Protector. Our next kidney-supporting champion is a staple in many cuisines around the world: garlic. This pungent bulb boasts a powerful compound called allicin, which is responsible for its many health benefits, including kidney protection. Allicin acts as a natural antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral agent, helping to protect your kidneys from damage and infection caused by harmful microorganisms. Garlic is also a good source of antioxidants, which help to protect your kidneys from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Incorporating garlic into your diet is as easy as can be. You can add it to savory dishes like stir-fries, soups, stews, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a delicious and healthy spread. Just remember that heat can deactivate some of the allicin in garlic, so it's best to add it towards the end of cooking or enjoy it raw for maximum benefits. So go ahead, add some garlic to your meals and give your kidneys a pungent protector. Chapter 5: Grapes, Bite-Sized Kidney Support. Let's move on to a sweet and juicy treat that's also great for your kidneys: grapes. These tiny fruits are packed with a powerful plant compound called resveratrol, which has been shown to have incredible health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Resveratrol is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic effects, meaning it can help prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. You can enjoy grapes in various ways, from fresh off the vine to frozen, juiced, or even dried raisins. Just remember that dried grapes and grape juice tend to be higher in sugar, so it's best to consume them in moderation. Adding a handful of grapes to your yogurt, salads, or enjoying them as a snack are all great ways to incorporate this kidney-friendly fruit into your diet. Taking care of your kidneys is an investment in your overall health, and adding grapes to your diet is a delicious and enjoyable way to support these vital organs. So go ahead, indulge in a handful of grapes, and give your kidneys a sweet and healthy treat. Chapter 6. Blueberries, Tiny but Mighty Kidney Protectors. Let's talk about another berry that's a powerhouse for kidney health: blueberries. These tiny fruits are bursting with antioxidants, particularly a type called anthocyanins, which give blueberries their vibrant blue color and provide remarkable health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is incredibly important for your kidneys, as they are constantly working to filter waste products and toxins from your blood, making them vulnerable to oxidative stress. Anthocyanins also have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. They also make a delicious and healthy topping for pancakes or waffles. Adding blueberries to your diet is a simple yet effective way to provide your kidneys with the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support they need to function optimally. So go ahead, indulge in a handful of blueberries and give your kidneys a healthy and flavorful boost. Chapter 7. Watermelon Hydration and Kidney Cleansing in One. Let's move on to a refreshing and hydrating fruit that's also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys: watermelon. As its name suggests, watermelon is loaded with water, which is essential for kidney health. Your kidneys need adequate water intake to function properly. Water helps to flush out waste products and toxins from your body through urine production. Watermelon's high water content helps to keep you hydrated, supporting optimal kidney function. This juicy fruit is also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease, so maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for protecting your kidneys. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Lycopene helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Now, let's move on to a heart-healthy fat that also provides incredible benefits for your kidneys: olive oil. You might be surprised to learn that a healthy fat can be beneficial for your kidneys, but olive oil is no ordinary fat. It's packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which has been linked to numerous health benefits, including kidney protection. Olive oil helps to lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Your kidneys rely on a healthy blood supply to function properly. When your heart and blood vessels are healthy, it ensures optimal blood flow to your kidneys, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen while removing waste products efficiently. Olive oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. So go ahead, drizzle some olive oil on your salads or use it in your cooking to give your kidneys a healthy boost. Let's explore the often overlooked vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate for kidney health: cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your kidneys in several ways. One of the key nutrients found in cabbage is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and cell structures, leading to inflammation and disease. Your kidneys are particularly vulnerable to free radical damage due to their role in filtering waste products and toxins from your blood. Vitamin C acts like a scavenger, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. Cabbage is also a good source of anthocyanins, those powerful antioxidants that give red cabbage its vibrant color. Anthocyanins have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. You can enjoy cabbage raw in salads or coleslaw, fermented as sauerkraut or kimchi, or cooked in soups, stews, or stir-fries. Experiment with different varieties of cabbage such as green cabbage, red cabbage, and Savoy cabbage to add variety and flavor to your meals. We're wrapping up our list with a fruit that's not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys: apples. This humble fruit is packed with nutrients that can support kidney health in various ways. One of the key nutrients found in apples is fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, both of which are important for kidney health. High blood sugar levels, often associated with diabetes, can damage the small blood vessels in your kidneys over time, leading to kidney disease. By regulating blood sugar levels, fiber helps to protect your kidneys from this type of damage. Apples are also a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C acts like a scavenger, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. So go ahead, enjoy an apple a day and give your kidneys a healthy boost. So, there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can help you detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. By adding these foods to your diet, you can support your kidney function and help prevent many kidney problems and diseases. Remember, a healthy diet is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys and your overall well-being. If you have any kidney issues or concerns, it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any dietary changes. Now I want to hear from you. Do you already eat some of these kidney-boosting foods regularly? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching.